Hi guys, we have this paper boat Aamras mango fruit juice. So let's see its review and recipe. So this one is 200 ml pack and the MRP is 35 rupees. Shelf life is 8 months. So the paper boat packaging, it has one of its kind packaging and no other beverage brand does such amazing packaging. It's sealed with a seal tight cap which is easy to open. Having said that, it won't leak, so you can easily keep it in your bag. Just shake the pouch and drink it from here itself, but we are going to serve it in a glass. And the Aamras drink has a wonderfully thick consistency and a nice natural color. So if we look at the ingredient, it has water and mango pulp, that is 40%. Rest all the list I have given it here. Plus it has no added preservative and no added color. And one more thing I noticed, it has saffron and cardamom. Okay, coming to the taste. So the taste is close to authentic mango flavor, and there is a slight aftertaste which I'm not able to describe. And the cardamom and the saffron, that and all you won't notice. You will just feel you are having a thick mango juice. So the positives, sturdy packaging, close to authentic flavor, and the negative, all these packed products are high in sugar content, no, so there is a lot of sugar, but it is okay to indulge in these juices once in a while, not stock up in the fridge for 4-5 packs every week. So you can give it a try. The taste is good, and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.